Hello and welcome. In this meditation, we are going to be looking at how we are all interconnected to all the people around the world. I know it sounds a little weird, but just stay with me, and as we progress through the meditation, you'll see what I mean. So let's take a second here and let's warm up. So if you want, you can close your eyes, take a couple deep breaths in. Let's go through the nose. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. Just getting settled into the space. Deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. Very good. Okay, now continue to just breathe at your own pace. And I will drop in momentarily to get us started on this interconnectedness meditation. Alright, so what I want y'all to do is just think of a person, anyone, and pretend like you are saying hi to them, waving to them, smiling, giving them a hug. And then I want you to go to another person. Wherever your mind wanders, we're just thinking of different people here and just greeting them. You can start with a coworker, and if that makes you think about another person that works in the building, someone you saw on the street, a family member, someone on social media, a movie. Just let anyone come to mind. And after a breath or two, switch to someone else. In each person, you are visualizing a happy, friendly greeting on the basis of, I'm a human, you're a human. We're trying to get through this. So as we do this, as we're greeting each person, it's like we are creating this web of all the people that we know. We may not see them every day, we may not talk to them every week, but they are there right now in the world, just like we are. Put a smile on your face and just your greeting of this person. After a breath or two, switch to another. All right, now, real quick, I want you to feel the shirt that you have on. Maybe touch it, feel your shirt. Now let's think of all the people that we don't know that got that shirt made to the point of you wearing it. The people that gathered the cloth or the materials. The people in charge of the machines, working hard to get them made. The people that took them from the factory to the distribution centers or wherever they went. And all these people that have their own families, their own desires, their own needs. The people that put them on the shelves at the store that you bought it. Or if you got it from Amazon, the people that work at the big Amazon warehouses. The people that deliver the goods to your home. And just right there, the long chain of people, just for you to have the shirt on your back. This little bench that I'm sitting on, the same thing, the people that made it, got it distributed and sold it. The companies, the people working at those companies in the headquarters, the offices, the people that work at the restaurants that those people at the offices go to during their lunch hour. The truck drivers that deliver the food to the restaurants. The people that manufacture the trucks. The business people of those truck companies. And the farmers. That help grow and raise the food you eat. And then the sun that gives off the energy so that that entire process works. We are all much more interconnected than we realize. Now I want you to do another example on your own. Excuse me. Do another example of something that's right around you, maybe even your phone. Or you could pick this window behind me, doesn't matter. Greet those people, whatever it is. All right, just a couple more beats here. your eyes were closed, you go ahead and open them. This exercise demonstrates how, although we may not know everyone, obviously we don't know everyone in the world, but we may not know everyone involved, but so many people are connected to us in ways that we just simply do not take time to give credit to. And I think that's a beautiful practice to remember in an age where often when we're on social media or on TV, while these things may sometimes make us feel kind of connected, in a way it can also be isolating and make us feel more alone than we actually are. So I love doing this practice. It makes me feel more connected and like I'm part of this global community, because that is the honest truth. You are part of this international community that far stretches just the people that you know. So do this anytime you want to feel a more connected center to everything, because that is the reality of it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this meditation. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.